Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Key2 Blogging, and today I'm going to show you how you can split your blog post into multiple pages. So if you are planning to write a long blog post and you want to divide that blog post into multiple pages so that user can click on next and they can see all these pages in a single blog post. So in this way you can improve your user experience, improve the readability and improve bounce rate. So let's check how we can enable post pagination in a blogger website. So for this we are going to log into our blogger dashboard and let me create a new blog post here. So here we are going to cover two different methods. One is a manual method and one is an automatic method. So let's start with the manual method. So here you can write your title. So let me add pagination manual. Now I need to switch to HTML view and you need to paste a code like this, and here you have to manually add your content. So let's suppose you want to display this content in the first page. So you can see content for page 1 and this is the first paragraph. So let me add few more paragraphs here like this. So you can insert images, buttons and everything within this section. So we have the heading and then we have some paragraphs and then we have the page number 2, and you can change your content. You can add headings, paragraphs, images if you want, and let's publish it and let's check how it looks in the front end. And as you can see, we have the first content, page number 1, and then let's click on next, and then we have content for page number 2, and then we have content for page number 3. So this is how the pagination works. So you can break your long article into multiple pages like this. So this is a manual method and you have to manually add your content, or you can do it on existing blog post as well. So let's suppose I want to break this article. So let me go to this article. Now let me paste my code like this. Now what I can do is I will wrap this wrapper to the whole content, and then I will wrap this page 1, and then I will close this page div like this. So this is the page 1 content, and then I can copy the page 2, and then I will close the div like this. So this is the page 1 content and this is the page 2 content, and then I need to close this div again. So this is the div class and we need to close that div here. Now we don't need this one, so let's remove all this, and we can keep the pagination buttons, and then we have the CSS code and we have the JavaScript code. Let's update it. Now let's open this blog post, and as you can see, this is the page content. Let's click on next, and this is the second content, and we can jump to previous and next like this. Now let's go to the automatic method where you can easily assign pagination with few tweaks. So for this, let's go to your blogger dashboard. Let's go to theme. Now let's click on edit HTML, and before that I recommend you to take a backup of your theme, and let's proceed. Now you can switch to bottom and search for closing body tag, and you need to copy the version 2. So let me copy it and let me paste it like this, and let's hit save. Now here you need to note that the post body ID is needed. So let me click on inspect and let me click on here, and this is the div class with the post dash body. So this may be different on your theme, so you need to identify this class or ID here, post dash body, and then you need to change it with the JavaScript. Here it is, this is the ID of the blog post. So you need to change this post dash body according to your theme. So most theme has this post dash body, so you have to select the proper ID. So this may be case sensitive, so make sure to copy the right post ID here. Now let's go back and let me go to blog post and let me click on view. As you can see, now it is automatically break our pages into multiple pages. So as you can see, I have already done this. So you have see you have the multiple pages. So if you want to add pagination to any blog post, then all you have to do is just open that blog post. Let's switch to compose view. So here you don't need coding knowledge, so you can just click on here any of these steps. So let me open any of the blog post. Let me open it. Now I want to add a pagination here after this paragraph. How will this cap work? And I need to add this jump break like this. Now I want to add a second page here. Let me add it like this, and I want to add it like this. So similarly we have added few jump breaks, and you need to add jump breaks in the starting as well like this. Now let's update. Now let's go back and let me open this blog post. As you can see, we have the first page, and then we can jump to next page, and then we can jump to next page like this. So this is how we can easily enable pagination just by adding the jump break, and it will detect that jump break on the page and automatically divide that page into multiple paginated pages. So this is fully SEO friendly, so Google will easily read all this content in all the pages, so there is no issues because we are hiding the content like this, and the HTML is still there on the source code, so Google can easily read the content, so there is no issues on SEO, and you can use pagination easily on your blog post. So let me know if you found this video helpful or not, and make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more quality content like this. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you.